So come to question number 5. So the figure of question number 5 is this one. It is given that POQ is a line. This means POQ is a line and ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. That means this OR is perpendicular upon PQ. OR is perpendicular upon PQ. That means you know that angle POR must be equal to 90 degree and angle QOR must be equal to 90 degree because this line is perpendicular on this line. Perpendicular means the form must be a 90 degree angle. Okay. The next thing is OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. This one is OS. OS is another ray which is lying in between the rays OR and OP. Okay. So we have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. ROS, this means this angle is angle ROS. We have to prove half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay. So it's just simple. At first you find what QOS is equal to something and POS is equal to something. After that you just subtract QOS minus POS. Very easy one and very important one. Okay. So question number 5. At first we have to given OR perpendicular PQ. We have to prove that. We have to just write this one because in this case actually on figure there is a 1 mark and in this writing this is 1 mark. Okay, and after proof will be 2 or 3 mark. So given OR perpendicular PQ, we have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half whole into QOS minus angle POS. Okay, this thing we have to prove. Clear? After writing this, you just write proof. Okay, so here you can write since OR perpendicular POQ, therefore angle POQ is equal angle POR not POQ. POR is equal to angle QOR. Okay, equal to 90 degree. You can write this one as 1. That means angle POR is equal angle QOR is equal 90 degree. That is equation number 1. We have to use later on. Okay. So now they are asking that to prove angle ROS is equal to what? Half of angle QOS minus angle POS. That means they are writing right on this thing. Yeah, we have to prove that ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay. So now you just find QA from the figure. Now angle QOS, look at the figure. QOS angle is this one. This one is the QOS angle. Okay. So QOS is what? QOR. That means this angle plus this angle. Okay. Look at this one. QOS is this angle is this one. That means from this point to this point. Or there is another angle like this one. So you can say that this angle plus this angle, then you will get QOS. Okay. So QOS, you can write angle QOR plus angle ROS. Now angle QOS, QOR you can use the value 90 degree. 90 degree plus ROS, just write in bracket using 1 and you give this as mark 2. So QOS is equal 90 degree plus ROS. This is equation number 2. Okay. So now come to the another one, POS. Again Again, angle POS, look at the figure, angle POS. POS is this angle. This angle. You can say, look at this one, this angle. And there is another angle, this one. POR, this one is S. So you can say that this POR means this big angle. From POR, if you subtract this part, ROS, then you will get POS. From POR, if you subtract this ROS, suppose you subtract this part, then you will remain with angle POS. Okay, that means angle POS is equal angle POR minus angle ROS. Okay, so that implies angle POS. If you look at this one, POR, you can use POR equal to 90 degree. 90 degree minus angle ROS. In bracket you just write using 1. So you just write angle POS equal 90 degree minus ROS. This is number 3. Okay, number 3. Clear? So now you have to find this one, QOS minus POS. So just subtract 2 minus 3. Subtract 3 from 2. Okay. So now 2 minus 3 we get. So equation 2 is what? Left hand side is what? QOS, angle QOS minus left hand side of 3 is what? Angle POS. Whenever you subtract one equation from one equation, that means you have to subtract the part which is on the left hand side, and you have to subtract similarly the right hand side. Okay, so left hand side of the equation number 2 is what? QOS. That is why I am writing QOS, because 2 minus 3 minus the left hand side of the equation 3 is what? POS. So QS minus POS. Now you just come to the right hand side. Right hand side is what? This one, 90 degree plus ROS. Always use bracket because there is sum of two things. ROS minus again POS. The right hand side of POS is what? 90 degree minus angle ROS. So left hand remains same, QOS minus POS. You just remove the bracket, 90 degree plus ROS, remove the bracket, minus into plus, so minus 90 degree, minus into minus becomes plus, so plus ROS, so 90 degree cancel. That means angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to what? 2 angle ROS. Okay. So that means when the 2 is multiplied with 2 and 2 come to this side, it becomes division. QOS minus angle POS divided by 2 is equal angle ROS. Okay. That means you can write half angle QOS minus POS is equal angle ROS. Okay. So this thing you have to prove. Okay. So you just write as the question. So therefore angle ROS right on the left hand side, ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, this one. So very important one.